Come at us, you little fuckers! Got you! Hey, we got them on an L shape here. We're good, we're good. Just keep picking them off. Hey, I got you in the head.
Was that you?
Yeah.
Hey, pretty good.
Welcome to the zombie team. Go get some brains. Yeah. He's suppressing you? Are you triggered? I'll get him for you. Doing pretty good here. We're making a slow progress here. Over. I'm gonna go deep in. Go.
I got more guys moving down to the back side. I got the left side. I'm pretty much drawing all the fire I can.
Go. God damn it. Hey, yo, suppress the top. Patricia's at the center there. Hold on, Patricia. Hit!
I'm running low point.
We're in business. Get in there. Roof!
Suppress along the roof.
You got him. I got him. Are you all right?
That was good. Owie.
Okay, let's go. Next team up. Next team up. Oh, sorry, dude. Sorry. My bad, dude. You're in the way. Give up now or I'll shoot you again. Kid, get in now. Go in. He's hit.
Go, just go.
Go.
From behind, you take time to contest it. From the front, they can contest.
Watch the rooftop. Watch the roof. Watch the top. Watch that tire. Watch that tire to our right. Watch the tire to the right. Up top.
Hit.
He's at the top. Who's got frags? Give me my pistol.
Oh, she's beautiful. Can I have it?
Nope.
Where are you now?
Where are they at, man?
Yeah, last guy at the top.
Careful. Hit. Let him out. This is so scary. Hit.
He's hit. Ceasefire. Good job.
That's game over. Let him out.
Good job.